and welcome back to another portion of my haul and unboxing. I have some shit and I'm just gonna jump right in. Went to Sam's Club today because I haven't been in a while, and I picked up, oh god, it's upside down, a packet? How about a package of 3 body washes by Olay. I got orchid and blackcurrant, white strawberry and mint. Mint! And then birch water and lavender. What the heck is birch water? Do trees give water?
You can make birch syrup.
Syrup? It's syrup. So, this is huge. Yeah, super excited. Had to stock up because, you know, I need to wash my ass, man. I do have some more crap on backup here, but I went ahead and got more Tresemme Moisture Rich Luxurious Moisture. How many people out there hate the word moist? See, I don't hate it because, I'm sorry, it makes me think about cake. And look at me, this bitch likes cake, okay? Let's see what else I forgot about because this has been sitting in a bag for like a week and a half. Okay, so I got another facial scrub, and it's the Clean and Clear Morning Burst. I used to use this all the time, and this was pretty much an impulse buy. And Tim will probably use it. Yeah, he's in here right now. He's in here. I picked up another mascara. I haven't used a CoverGirl mascara in a freaking minute, so I decided to get this CoverGirl Full Lash Bloom. There's a lot of words on here, I don't know, but it looks like it's okay, so cool. There's a good chance that some of you tuned into my Facebook Live video on Thanksgiving. Well, I decided to go ahead and rehash everything that some of you have already seen in the same freaking pouch that it's been since Thanksgiving, which that was Thursday, and now today is Monday. Today's Monday. It's been in there for a few days. I got the Maybelline Lemonade Craze eyeshadow palette. It's actually nicer than I was expecting, not gonna lie. I got the, I used one of these before. It's the Stay Matte Mattifying Loose Powder by Rimmel London. I have used this before. It's the CoverGirl True Blend Serving Sculpt Palette. And there is a bronzer, blush, and a highlight. And of course, okay, ooh, you can see the colors. The highlight really isn't as blinding as I'd want it to be, but it's nice and subtle, so I guess if there's ever a day, it's gonna be rare, where I want to be subtle, I'll use that. But this is like perfect for travel. I mean, it's like, boom, there it is, hello! Because this bitch can't read, I accidentally bought a freaking lash primer. Anyone that wants to use the extra step and prime their fucking lashes, I'll give it a shot. If it's a game changer, I will shut up. If I don't see that much of a difference, why are you adding extra steps? I mean, there's so many steps, like, what? I mean, just... Anyway, so I got another Fit Me concealer because panda eyes. A few more things. Yes. I got another squish. Real Techniques. Ooh, it even has the... Is that backwards for y'all, or is it just me? But I really do like that one because of the flat edge, and I can, you know, use it. I got a Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray. I will be trying this again because even if I don't like something the first time, I like to try it at least the second and third time just to confirm if I actually hate it or not. And then I got another thing by Wet n Wild. I got the Photo Focus Foundation in Porcelain, and I just finished one of these like sometime recently, and I like it. I mean, the applicator's kind of weird because like it's not like a fucking stick, and then of course like the foundation itself is pretty like liquidy, so if you're not careful with this shit, it's gonna be meh. I know that because I've worn it besides on my face. It's on my chesticles, and yeah, so I basically filled my chest hair. I'm just kidding. Show me how you eat your Doritos.
Well, they stain your hands red. And see, these are my tools.
ASMR moment. Look at those things. Okay, so I have a new brush set, and it came in this beautiful, like, hello, glittery bag. Oh my goodness. And I did find out that, yes, this is a mythical, whatever. What is this? What is that? I don't know. He's a lot of help, clearly. So it comes with a few eye brushes and a couple of face brushes, and the handles are super cute because it's like a unicorn horn. Even though I'm really dumb and I was like, oh, it's like an ice cream, and I'm like, Yeah, I'm really dumb, so it's fine. Yeah, they seem to be nice brushes. I can't wait to actually use them now that they've been hiding forever. Cool, so that's it for this portion of my beauty haul shit. So until the next one, hello and welcome back to another segment of my haul and unboxing video. I have a number of things to show you and some of them are gifts, and I will save those until the end just because it's special and I want to make a special shout out and all that stuff. So I got some basics and it's kind of cool. So I do a lot of rotations with my shampoos, if you haven't noticed from my Empties videos and these videos. Tresemme and the herbal essences I use a lot. It was cool. I kind of got like, this is like the old school herbal essence, rose hips. It came in a box. For some reason it was cheaper even though you get cardboard. Whatever, it's fine. And I decided to get this, I don't know, it's Beach Babe Texturizing Sea Salt Spray. It's just to give it, apparently it's supposed to help give more waves and texture and whatnot, and I don't know, I'll give it a shot and see how it goes. And of course, the old faithful here, I have more of these makeup wipes. Need to stay stocked, as well as stocked on the old eyeliner, my holy grail to find a line in ebony black, which if I see that they have this, I'm gonna get it. This is a need. Also, I picked up another white eyeliner, Lasting Drama by Maybelline. I really dig the white. Okay, so I went out Christmas shopping and I was picking up some stuff for other people when I happened to find something for myself that I'm really excited about that I was not expecting to see. So therefore, I picked it up. This just came out. I got the new Patrick Starr powder from it's out of the holiday collection, and like, I mean, look at this thing. It's big. I love it so much. I have not used this yet. I will be using this in another First Impressions Get Ready With Me, which, just for fun, I will reference back to this, but today is December 7th. So, filming this on December 7th, then I'll also put when I'm uploading it, and then when I film my Get Ready With Me, and then when that's up, just for like a timeline, and I'll totally put that in the description box and kind of like, by the time I do that and get around to that video, I'm betting that video won't be up until like February or March at the rate that I go. I'm not even kidding. So anyway, so for the last thing for this video, I have a few things to show you, and it's a Christmas present. So a special shout out to Will. Oh my god, seriously, thank you so much. I'm actually wearing one of the lip colors. Well, what was one of the lip colors a couple hours ago, and then I kind of put some chapstick on it because I forgot I was wearing it. It kind of got a little weird, and that's my fault. So I'll go right into the lip colors here. All three colors are Anastasia, which is so funny because I've never used these lip colors before. Really, box? Well, apparently I can't get out of the box, even though I got out of the box earlier when I looked at it. Heather's liquid lipstick. So this is Heather's, this is Vamp, and this is Allison. I'll go ahead and swatch these. I'm gonna go in with Vamp first. Yeah, that's really dark. I will try it. I can't guarantee my balls are that big. Okay, so this is Heather's. Those colors are so freaking close. Holy shit. I'm not gonna say they're the same, because they're really not. Oh my god, why is my arm so weird? Look how white I am. Like, hello. There's more red in the one. Allison. That is so more up my alley, and I think that's what I'm wearing. See, I'm more comfortable with that. Full real, though. Alright, I have a couple samples here. There's first a Beauty Coconut Water Cream. And I assume this is something that you put on, like, after you cleanse. So, really excited to try that. I love little samples. And something that I'm really tickled about because I was just bitching today, like, I need to wash my brushes, like always. Yeah, so by Sigma, Sig Magic Brush Shampoo, Liquid Brush Cleanser. Yeah, when I finally get around to fucking washing my brushes, I guess I'll use that. One non-makeup item that I just think is so cute is this coffee mug. Oh my god, I love it. It says, I have the vocabulary of a well-educated sailor. Like, I'm sure there's no one that disagrees with that, so thank you so much for that. One more thing. I got spoiled. Holy shit, did I get spoiled. I'm really oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. So it's an e.l.f. palette, which I've never used any e.l.f. shadows before. And it's called Opposites Attract. And so you have like a warm side and a cool side. I'll be honest with you, I'm not going to throw this. Oh my god. I mean, just at a glance, I'm really impressed with this because there's more mattes than there are shimmers, and that is like big for me, especially lately. Like in the past, it's never bothered me, but that was before like I started building with my collection, and like I'm like, no, I need more usable shadows. Like I use the shimmers as an accent. Once in a while, I will build a whole look with it, but I mean, there's transition shades up the ass. It's a very usable palette. Like, I don't know, I'm really excited to use it. I'm really excited that there's a gray in there too. Jessica had mentioned something in a VOC about a gray and like a silver thing that she had going on, and she, you know, that's the only time that she likes to wear. Sorry, I'm totally spilling the tea about you on here. I figured it might be okay. It's totally relevant. How, you know, she only likes using those colors like when it's, you know, this time of year because it's, you know, it's festive, and I'm just like, oh my god. I'm like, I want gray. Like, I'm thinking, do I have gray? Like, out of all of the palettes that I have a lot of warm palettes. Freaking awesome that I have some cool colors to see what I can do with that. Feeling inspired. Anyway, so that concludes this portion of the beauty haul and unboxing video, and everything will be listed and linked, as well as the start of the weird timeline for my Patrick Starr powder, just to see how fucking nuts I actually am. So yeah, until the next one.